Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PES 3 football game. Let's start by understanding the core controls. You'll use the directional pad for movement and specific buttons for actions like passing and shooting. Mastering these basics is crucial for building your gameplay foundation. We'll cover both offensive and defensive maneuvers to get you comfortable on the virtual pitch. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to refine your attacking strategies. Through passes are excellent for breaking defensive lines, while 1-2 passes can quickly open up space. Experiment with different shot types, like a powerful drive or a delicate chip, to beat the goalkeeper. Don't forget the importance of well-placed crosses to set up headers or volleys for your teammates. A strong defense is just as vital as a potent offense. Learn to apply pressure on opponents to force errors and win back possession. Practice your standing and slide tackles to dispossess players cleanly, avoiding fouls. Quickly switching between defenders allows you to cover dangerous areas effectively. Understanding how to maintain a solid defensive line and even set an offside trap can significantly improve your game. To truly excel, explore advanced techniques. Master special dribbling moves to outwit defenders and create space. Practice your set pieces, aiming for precision on free kicks and corners to maximize scoring chances. Don't forget to adjust your team's formation and strategy based on your opponent. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to hone your skills and become a PES master.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.